After watching this video, you will never struggle with PowerPoint slide design again, because I will show you how to create them faster, smarter, and completely stress-free using AI. With the AI tool that I'm going to show you in a minute, presentation designs will never feel like a chore again. I will teach you how to turn simple ideas into stunning slides without wasting hours. It is free, easy, and works whether you are a student, teacher, or professional. Stick around and you will thank yourself later. Hi, I am Pat, and on this channel we discuss educational technology and digital productivity tools. If you would like to learn more about teaching and learning, research, AI, and digital productivity tools, please consider subscribing to my channel in order to support me. Also, join our community so you never miss a new video. If you are ready, let's get started. Turning on to my computer, the very first thing we are going to do is to open our Chrome. From Chrome browser, we are going to go to ChatGPT and enter this particular prompt. If you don't know how to use ChatGPT, I have a lot of video on that. I am using the free version of ChatGPT. That's why it is asking me to get plus. Okay, so the prompt now says create a presentation outline on the role of AI in research writing. Make it in different slides with bullet points. Then I will enter it and wait for ChatGPT to generate this outline for us. Boom! You can see we now have our outline. Look at it. First slide, second slide, third slide, and all of that with bulleted lists. You can see. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to give it a second prompt. In this prompt, we are asking it to turn it into an exportable PowerPoint file ready for download. So I will send it and wait for ChatGPT to do its magic. Boom! ChatGPT has done its magic as we said. Look at it. It says you can now download it here. So I will click on this link and wait for it to download. You can see it here. It has downloaded. So if I go to my download folder and you will see the file generated for us by ChatGPT, I will double click in order to open it. Once it opens in PowerPoint, you will see that we now have our presentation. But the issue here now is that this presentation is flat. There is no design, there is no theme. Do not worry, because I am going to show you how you can quickly turn it to a powerful PowerPoint design. In order to do that, I will click on a particular slide and select the text. Once I select the text, I will point here and click on recommendation default. Do not worry, I will show you what you will do to your PowerPoint so that it will start to show you these options. Once I click on it, you wait for this AI tool to generate different design for us using artificial intelligence. So it's currently generating for us. We have our first design, second design, third design. It only depends on your choice. So any one of them that you want, all you will need to do is to click on it. So I can decide to use this or scroll up. You see more options from here. Okay, now let us use this. I will just click on it. And you also have option to change the color. Like if this is what you want, you can also change the color of its appearance. I hope you understand. Okay. Now what I will do is to select for each of them. So with double click, it will just apply automatically. And that is for slide 2. I will now have to delete this flat one. These two also applied. So let me delete 2 of them and leave only 1. Now, when you come to another slide, you do the same thing by clicking on the slide, select the slide text, and let AI generate the right design based on recommendation. So we are taking the process again so that you will see how easy it is to turn your flat presentation into a dynamic, beautiful looking presentation. You can see we have design already. Let me choose this. So once I double click, it will appear here successfully. Okay, I can go on to delete that particular slide so that it will no longer be there. And you will continue to do this until you fill up the entire slide. So what I will do is to pause the video, complete it, and come back. I am through. You can see we now have a good slide design from here. Okay, now let me show you what I did in order to have this. What you will need to do is to go back to Chrome browser. You remember we used ChatGPT to generate our presentation file. Then when you go to Chrome browser, you enter EdrawMax and press enter. This is a tool that does the magic. From here, you click on the first option and wait for it to load. Once it finishes loading, you will see EdrawMax website. This website is very powerful. You can use it for AI powered diagram and revolution, all-in-one online tools, collaboration tools, inspiration and possibilities, visual workplace for you and your team, and so many other things. All you will need to do is to click on this download button here. After the downloading and installation, once you open PowerPoint, you will see EdrawMax tab in your Microsoft PowerPoint, and you continue to use this particular AI tools. You can go on to see other options. Under AI, we'll have EdrawMax AI, text to slide. Then under insight diagram, we'll have flowcharts, mind map, architecture, more diagrams, EdrawMax files, and there are a whole lot of things you can insert. You can insert symbols, images, stickers, icons. For example, when you are designing something and you need to put an image, you can just come here and click on image from here. Then wait for it to load different images. Do you see? You do not need to look for any other option, maybe going to Google to search for image that you will use. All these images are here from Pixabay. You remember, with Pixabay, you can use it free of charge. You just need to read about Pixabay copyright terms, okay? Probably you just need to give them credits, okay? So let me now import just one image. I'll just click on it and wait for it to load. You can see the image here. So you can go on and adjust it to appear the way you want it. I hope you understand. I hope this video was helpful. Let's have your thoughts in the comment section. Subscribe as a way of supporting me. Like and share the video with others. Remember, we also made another video on how to use EdrawMax to generate diagrams seamlessly. The link to that video is in the description box below. Until next time, keep learning.